Good morning, children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 52. Now I'm going to start exercise 53. Let us start the class. See exercise 53. See the first one. Reduce the following terms, fractions to their lowest terms. To their lowest terms. Reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. Okay, see the first one, 48 divided by 80. Children, if you observe, first to find out the lowest term of the given fraction, first we have to know what are the common factors of these two numbers. Before going to know the common factors of those two numbers, first you have to find the highest common factor of these two numbers, that means HCF of these two numbers. If you find, you can easily get it. How? HCF of 48 and 80 is 48 divides 80. 1 time 48 remainder 32 divided by 48. 1 time 32 remainder 16 divides 32 2 times 32 remainder 0. So 16. In 16 table you can get the cancellation of these two numbers. 16 3 is 48, 16 5 is 80. 3 by 5 is the answer. Or else you can do simply with the common factors. 48 by 80. These two are divisible in 2 table. Or else 8 table. 8 6 are 48, 8 10 80. Again 6 and 10 are divisible in 2 table. 2 3s, 2 5s. Now you will get 3 by 5. If there is no chance of common factor, cancellation of those two numbers, there is no common factor for those two numbers, so there is no chance of cancellation. By that time you have to leave. See the second one then. 25 by 75. 25 by, first one of the method is finding its HCF, and second one is you can simply calculate with the common factors what are there for those two. 25 table, 25 ones 25, 25 twos 50, 25 threes 75. So there is a chance of cancellation for 25 ones, 25 threes 75. So answer is 1 by 3. See the third one, 120 by 240. Here there is a common cancellation chance of zeros. 0 get cancelled. In 12 table 24 will be or not. 12 ones are 12 twos 24. So there is chance of cancellation 12 ones and 12 twos. Answer is 1 by 2. See the fourth one, 35 by 49. 35 by 49. Children, if you observe in which table you can see 35 and 49. Children, you have to learn thoroughly all the tables while doing it into lowest terms. Okay. See that 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos 40. 7 threes 21. 7 fours 28. 7 fives 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. So these two are there. 7 fives 35, 7 sevens 49. So answer is 5 by 7. Okay. See the next one, children. Fifth one, 81 by 108. 81 by 108. Children, you know very well. In 9 table you can see 9 9s 81, and 9 table is the chance of cancellation for 108 also. Once check. Or else 9 ones 9, 9 twos 80, 9 threes 27, 9 fours 50s 36, 9 fives 45, 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens 63, 9 eights 72, 9 nines 81, 9 tens 90, 9 also cancel in 3 table dana. 3 3s 9, 3 4s 12. So 3 3s 12, 9 3 4s 12. Answer is 3 by 4. See the sixth one, children. 500s divided by 200s. 0 0 here, again 0 0 here. Answer is 5 by 2. Okay. See the next one. B Roman, first one. A Roman lowest terms completed na. B Roman, first one. 1 by 5 of rupees 50 plus 1 by 3 of rupees 60 equal to how much? Okay, 1 by 5 of rupees 50, 1 by 3 of rupees 60 equal to how much? See here, 1 by 5 of rupees 50. 5 ones 5, 5 zeros 0. Answer is 10 rupees. Next, 1 by 3 of rupees 60. 3 ones 3 2 6, 3 zeros. So answer is 20. They are asking us to add those two answers. Yes, na? So that implies rupees 10 plus rupees 20. What is 10 plus 20, children? 30 rupees. What is 10 plus 20? 30 rupees. See the next one. How many 25 paise coins? How many 20 paise coins? How many 25 paise coins makes? 25 paise coins make rupees 8 rupee 50 paisa. How many coins will be? How many coins will be in 8 rupee 50 paisa? Children, if you observe, number of 25 paise coins, number of 25 paise coins in rupee 1. 4 coins. 1 rupee contain 4 coins, nana. In 1 rupee, 25 paise coins are 4. Here they are asking us to find the number of 25 paise coins in rupees 8 rupee 50 paisa. That means 4 coins for 8 rupees and 50 paise. In 50 paise, how many 25 paise coins are there? There are 2 25 paise coins are there. So plus 2. 4 8s 32 plus 2. 34 coins are there. Totally 34 coins are there in 8 rupee 50 paise. First we have to find how many 25 paise coins are there in 1 rupee. How many 25 paise coins are there in 1 rupee? 4 are there. Now we have to find how many 25 paise coins are there in 8 rupee 50 paisa. So 8 rupees, 4 coins, 1 rupee, 1 4 into 8 plus 2, 32 plus 2, 34. Or else one more way you can find it, I will tell you now. See the same one with another model. First you have to multiply that given rupees, given 8 rupee 50 paisa with 25 paise coins, with 25 paise coins. If you multiply 8 rupee 50 paise into 100 by 4, so that implies 850 into 100. If you multiply with 100 2 decimal places, it moves na 850 by 4. 4 ones 4 2s 8. 4 ones 4, 4 2s 8. Okay, ma? Like that you will get, and then you have to convert this into pies like that. Okay? That is one more way. Or else you have to multiply that 8 rupee 50 pies with 1 rupee 4 pies with 4. If you multiply 0, 5 4s 20, 4 8s 32 plus 1 34, you will get. So total 34 coins you will get. Like that you can do. Okay? See the next one. 7 kilometer 48 centimeter, 7 kilo kilometer, 48 meters equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. So 7 kilometer 48 meters equal to 7 into 1000 plus 48. 7 into 1000, 7000 plus 48. It's nothing but 7048 meters. 7048 meters. See the last one, children. Tick the one which is not equivalent to the given fraction 2 by 5. Which is not equivalent to 2 by 5. They are asked. They given some figures for us. They divided this one into 5 and this one into also 5 parts and this one also into 5 parts. Here if you observe, they shaded 2 parts here. Here also they shaded 2 parts, upper part and down part. Here they shaded individually, but here they are asking which one is not equivalent to 2 by 5. In all, 2 parts are shaded, but in this figure these are not equal parts. So this is not equivalent to 2 by 5. This is not equivalent to 2 by 5. Now the exercise 53 completed, children. In the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.